Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change receiver's name on Remitly. So if you also want to change receiver's name on Remitly, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Remitly application. You can see over here Remitly application has been opened. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. You can find the option for home, recipient, send, rewards and manage. If you want to change the receiver's name, all you have to do is tap on the recipient's option. Now you'll be led to the recipient's interface. Over here you'll be able to see all the recipients. Tap on the name of the receiver that you want to change. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top you'll be able to see the option for edit. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to edit the receiver's detail. You can change both the first name and last name. Simply erase the initial name. Now enter the new name. You can repeat the same with the last name. Scroll down. You can also change the other details if you want. Now tap on the save option that you can see right over here. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here the receiver's name has been changed. So that is how you change receiver's name on Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.